We're going to introduce the Telenco Store project. So the first B2B distribution marketplace in the European telecommunication market. So, yes, Sandra, I let you to introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you. Well, so I'm Sandra Simoneau, and I'm working for Telenco as an e-business manager. And I launched the marketplace project for the company, and I also had the role of the product owner during the whole project with Aurélien.
And myself, Aurélien Brugniau, digital project manager in Izberg, and I work with Sandra and Telenco Store during all of the project. So, rapidly, the agenda of the speech. So, Izberg and Telenco in few words, the choice of Izberg solution, some use cases, and methodology and relationship, and what the future. So, Izberg in few words. So, what is Izberg? So, in few words, our DNA, so unlimited growth, scalability, and strong solution, unlimited business case extension and customization, and unlimited collaboration, expertise, and customer success.
And so the Telenco company, where we are well known on our market, which is telecommunications. The company was created almost 25 years ago, and we design, manufacture, and also sell products that we have a negotiation activity from products that we buy to providers and then we resell. And so that's about the group, and about maybe a focus on our e-commerce activity now. What also differentiates us on our market is that we were really pioneers on the e-commerce. We launched our first e-commerce platform in 2012, so yes, more than 10 years ago now. And yes, we are really a French leader on the e-commerce on our market. And so we were very successful with this e-commerce activity. We had an important growth, and it was in 2020. We asked ourselves, what could we do next to improve our activity, to go further? And so we had the idea of to become the operator of our own marketplace. There was no marketplace on the telecommunication market already known in Europe, and so we thought that it was interesting for us to launch ourselves as an operator of marketplace, and and with also an objective or diversification of our activity and of internationalization, because we were very focused on the French market, and we wanted to grow in Europe and also around the world, because we have subsidiaries in different countries, the UK, Germany, but also in Africa, in South America. And so that's why we thought that the marketplace model was very adapt to our business. Yes, you can go further. And so an important question, why did we choose Izberg as a partner to work with us on this marketplace project? The first thing which is very important to know is that we have Izberg as a unique partner. It means that we work with a unique team. Izberg is both our editor and integrator of our marketplace. It means that, yes, for us it was very easy to build the project with them, because there was this unicity of a unique team and a unique people which we will be working. The other thing is that because we are working on a B2B market, we have very specific conditions that we need to build our e-commerce website. And so, standard solutions, standard e-commerce solutions, front office, were not really adapted to our cases, to our case. And well, Izberg offered us the possibility to have our own front office, a tailor-made one that we made from scratch. And well, it was very interesting for us to have this option. The other thing is that, yes, Izberg is a partner that understood our ambition, what we wanted to do, and our business case. It's very important to have someone that will understand what is your goal, what you want to do with your platform, and how you want to differentiate on your market. And well, Izberg really well understood that part, so it was very important for us. And finally, yes, they have multiple business cases in B2B for marketplaces. They are very expert on that field, and well, that was important for us to work with experts of B2B marketplaces. And so now with Aurélien, we chose to come back on the project of Telenco Store because the platform, our marketplace, has been now launched a year ago almost. And well, so we wanted to come back on a few use cases to tell you which were the challenging points. And so one of those points was the IT interfaces because, well, in the ecosystem, the marketplace doesn't work alone. The marketplace is connected to the whole IT system of Telenco because, yeah, something which is also important is that Telenco is the operator of the marketplace, but Telenco is also one of the vendors of the marketplace. So that was very important for us. And so, yes, so the first thing is that Telenco Store is connected to our PIM to exchange data about, information about the product, media file and everything. And so, well, that was the first point, how to build the connection between the PIM and Telenco Store.
Yes, and to answer to this topic, we use a template with built-in attributes, custom attributes with you put the data, and after you take all of this data, you integrate the data in the wonderful engine called the mapper in Izberg, and you can integrate all the data for all the merchants, and very easy.
Yes, the second point was to create a connection with our ERP. And we have multiple topics about the ERP because through the ERP we update information about stock and prices on our product, but we also integrate the orders that we receive from the marketplace, and we also integrate the quotes that we receive from the marketplace. And after that, we send back information from the ERP to the marketplace with, for example, shipping information or with the answers to the quotes and everything. So it was a very challenging part.
Yes, very challenging because Izberg, it's a solution based on API technology, and there it was not only with API, so we built interface contract to match all of the use cases to integrate the data, and about the update prices, stock and delivery, we schedule incremental inputs to can improve all of these use cases.
And well, I want to add that it was even more challenging because a few months after the launch of Telenco Store, we changed our ERP at Telenco, and so we have to remake not everything, but a lot of stuff. So it was
a part.
Yes. So it was a second challenge. And finally, we also have a connection with our CRM. So for more classic topics, so to integrate information about the customers that we have on Telenco Store as a vendor, and also to integrate the claims that the Telenco vendor received on Telenco Store. And it was, well, the final challenge with connection.
Yes, and there we need to speak with another API, Salesforce. for the name, and we build an exchange between Izberg API and Salesforce API, and it was not very easy to be sure everything was okay, and we built again in the exchange with Salesforce and Izberg, and it's in progress, and it will be able in few months. So, other use cases that we need to try to use in the project. So first of all, the multi-countries, multi-language. So multi-language needs a multi-area with multi-currencies and multi-devices. So in one application and one back office. Price management, categories, category price designed by the operator and handling merchant by merchant, that we link all of the customer with the VAT number and link to the categories to specific price. User management, several levels in the company with dedicated word to the users. Code, a specific workflow for the code, and dedicated chat to speak between the merchant and the customer. And to finish, claims. Yes, a claim system to follow all of the orders if there is any problem in the orders, and exchange between merchant and customer. About the methodology and the relationship. Our methodology is basic, but it's important to have a strong methodology in this type of project. So we start off by conception timing during few weeks. After this, we built a backlog with user stories, and to start the build part. And during the build part, many sprints build like this. So 3 weeks of development, 1 week of QA in the project team, and 1 week to a QA for the client, so for Telenco, with the sprint review, and after each release after this timing, and at the end of the project, we continue to make some evolution features. So we build in a sprint organization, and so it's the same thing with sometimes to separate all of the sprints.
And so now, but what's next? Because, well, a marketplace project, it doesn't stop when you have launched your marketplace. It's a long-lasting project. I think it's important to understand that when you choose a partner to build your own marketplace, you choose the partner for many years, and well, so that's important to choose well your partner. And well, we have still many topics to improve our marketplace. And well, one of them is the internationalization of the platform. Well, we will launch Telenco Store in the UK and in Germany in a few months now. And well, we still have more topics to come, and we know that well, we will continue to work together for a few years.
So thank you, everyone.
Thank you. don't know if you have any question or...
Congratulations for the project. I didn't fully understand who are your vendors in the marketplace and who can potentially be your customers in the marketplace. Are there any vendor can be a vendor in your platform, even competitors as well?
Well, we select our vendor with specific criteria because, well, those vendors have to have an offer that matches with our customer needs. Because, well, we already know our customer because we have a passive, we have a platform before to launch our marketplace. So we took with us our e-commerce customers. And, well, our customers, they are telecommunications operators, they are technicians, telecommunications technicians and engineers. And, well, they are our buyers. And so our ambition is to be a one-stop shop for them, to offer them a global offer to make them find everything they need to build the infrastructure that they have to make.
So once you get the order from your customer,
yes,
who does the delivery of the product to your customer? Is it
it's the different vendors.
Okay, so you don't stock. It's not from your stock.
We stock for us as a vendor, but the other vendors stock their own product. After we also have a project of fulfillment, but it's not already available.
And then you come into Spain? Not yet.
Well, not yet. Well, not yet. Not in 2023.
Maybe in the future.
Yes, maybe.
Thanks.
First of all, I think that it's an excellent concept. I used to work in telecom. I used to sell actually the things that you have on your marketplace. And when I was working that job, to my knowledge, there was no marketplace that sold this kind of telecom equipment. So I think the idea is really cool. So congrats.
Thank you.
And my question is actually a little technical. For warranties, is it covered under the claims that you mentioned? It's tracked within the system. Okay.
Sorry. It's an extension. It's not native on Izberg, but we build an extension to manage this.
That's so cool. That's awesome.
And it was important and it's not only for the operator. It's managed merchant by merchant.
Okay. Awesome.
Any questions? Okay, so I think we can finish. Huh? Yes, we are available. If you have any question, just if you.